Now at 6, we hear about it just about every day. COVID receding here in California, especially in the Bay Area. Certain counties could lose their indoor masking mandates sooner than others. Good evening. Thanks for joining us for KRON 4 News at 6. I'm Ken Wayne.
And I'm Pam Moore. Santa Cruz County has already dropped the indoor mask mandate, and now Bay Area County health officials are determining what it will take for them to do the same. This
is a map that shows the level of community transmission around the Bay Area. You can see all but 2 Bay Area counties are in the substantial category. Napa and Solano County right there, they're still in the high level of transmission. But COVID has not gone away, and with the Delta variant continuing to circulate, medical experts are warning health officers to be cautious. KRON 4's Dan Kerman is live in San Francisco tonight with more on all of this. Dan.
Well, Bay Area health officers are meeting, trying to come up with criteria they can all use together to decide when it is right to drop that mandate, and it would be different county by county depending on how each one is doing. But at this point, no plans to drop it anytime immediately. Since Bay Area health officers instituted an indoor mask mandate regardless of vaccination status, it's become common to see people with a face covering. But improving COVID data and Santa Cruz County's decision to lift its mandate has health officers examining what it will take to drop that mandate in other Bay Area counties.
I think for now they should keep the mask mandate.
Anyone can be contagious, vaccinated or not. So until it's over, it ain't over.
In San Francisco, which is highly vaccinated, many prefer to keep the indoor mask mandate in place.
It doesn't make sense to me. It's like, why don't we just wait till we really have the science, we can really back it up?
In late October of last year, we saw the beginning of a big surge in COVID cases. That, coupled with the Delta variant, has medical experts advising caution when it comes to dropping the mandate.
I mean, obviously, we all want to move overly quickly. We want to make this done with, but this may not be the right time.
Dr. George Rutherford is a professor of epidemiology at UCSF. While he admits the Bay Area is doing better than most, he says this is not the time to move too fast.
With 6.5 million people in the Bay Area, if 90% are vaccinated, that's still 650,000 people that aren't vaccinated. So, you know, that's if they're evenly distributed through the population, that's one thing. But if they congregate geographically, then you know that's the places where we can have outbreaks.
During a briefing Tuesday before the Santa Clara County Board of Supervisors, Health Officer Dr. Sarah Cody said Bay Area health officers are working together to set criteria that must be met before a mandate can be dropped.
We need to see looking at the case rates to make sure that they're low and stable. We need to look at the impact on hospitals, and we need to look at some sort of, measure of vaccination and protection in the population.
Now, it's expected that Bay Area health officers will announce that criteria sometime during the day tomorrow. In the meantime, Dr. Rutherford says because Santa Cruz County lifted its mandate first, Santa Cruz County will act as some sort of a canary in the coal mine, meaning that if things start to go in the wrong direction there, it will serve as a warning to everyone else. Live in San Francisco, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.